Let's take a selfie. I'm wondering if I can make money with the selfies.
Yes, you can.
Oh, really? What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money with selfies from your smartphone. All you have to do is stay with me, but first make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Alright, really cool, huh? So you can make money with your selfies actually that you take from your smartphone. Yes, that is true. I actually found out about it while I searched a little bit for some applications on it, and you can make actually anything from $1 and above per selfie. So with that being said, we're going to get started to have a look at the site first, and then I will explain to you where you can find this application, of course. Now keep in mind, you won't get rich probably with this kind of selfies here. So my number one recommendation on how to make money online is in the link below. But we'll have a look at that later. First, now let's get started with taking some selfies and make money with them. Alright, let's get started. Okay, the site that we are going to have a look at first here is actually payyourselfie.com. And you can see here, if I scroll down a little bit, we're really excited about this. You see there is big companies involved, Johnson & Johnson, Android Police, Global Marketing Agency. They are featured on tons of, look at this, the New York Times, Adweek, big companies really. Who they serve restaurant, retail, CPGs, hospitality, you. We live in a visual world. Market research has yet to catch up. Pay Your Selfie is the only survey company that enables photo-based survey response on consumer, lifestyle, and brand preferences. So how this works is really simple. Let's say, for example, that I'm a company, I'm selling a snack. And what I do is I'm actually talk to Pay Your Selfie and say, I want some girls or some boys or something like that. I want them snacking. And there is where you come in. So you have to take yourself a selfie while you snack, for example, and you get paid for that. And what they pay out $1 per selfie, as I mentioned here. So what we're going to have a look at actually is a little bit about the FAQ here. So what is Pay Your Selfie? It is a free app for iOS and Android that pays you cash for your selfies. Consider us as a selfie survey for cash rewards. How are they used? They offer snappy surveys that require photos because they believe it is more useful than just checked boxes. Okay, so the photos help brands understand how their products and services fit into modern consumer lifestyle. Quite simply, they help to improve the stuff that you use every day. Here is how they are verified. They're usually verified within a few days. It will move from pending to accepted status. And what can I do? You have to follow the requirements, of course, for each survey task. Make sure your photos are clear and bright. A few details to keep in mind, like to be in the light, of course. Take care about the light, so the better chance that is that you will get accepted for your selfie there, of course. How do I cash out? So once your account balance reaches $20 in accepted selfies, you can cash out or donate to one of our charity partners. And they are completed through PayPal, which is really nice. Your transaction will process within 5 to 7 days. Here is why, for some reason, it will be declined. If you can redo, you get one chance to submit your honest input and follow requirements. So definitely go ahead and be careful a little bit there. How long does it take? This is where they offer actually new selfie surveys weekly. So you never know. It depends all on the companies, of course, and the requests they have. So they're not a get-rich-quick scheme, as they say here also. But what is cool is that you can actually make money also by referring a friend. You can make actually 50 cents for every referral you make there. Restrictions, you need to be, of course, 18 years old. My selfie seems to be stuck in pending, so that must be when you have to contact the support here. So that is about Pay Your Selfie. I also opened it up to have a look at it at Google Play. You can see here, it basically says the same thing, okay? It's the newest way to earn extra spending cash. Each week, discover fun and entertaining photo service you can take with a simple snap of a selfie. Earn up to $1 or more by taking selfies and photos with this product and places you love most in your life. When you reach $20 in successfully completed service, cash out. Cash out with PayPal or donate to charity. Here is actually, look, yeah, this is what I was talking about, sample service. It's spring break, so they want you to take a tourist spot selfie. Afternoon snack attack, I was talking about snacking. Snap your snack. It's Friday night movie night, take a cinema selfie. So really simple way to make some extra money, as I said. Now, as an alternative to this, we have ScoopShot. I already mentioned this site here. So if I go here to the main site, scoopshot.com, basically you sign up for the free package. Here you get paid when someone wants your picture, actually. Okay, so it works a little bit different, but you have nothing to lose. It's totally free to sign up for, and what you do is you upload all your selfies, more or less, and other photos also. So let's have a look at the FAQ here. We go to information by photographers. So you can see here, getting started with ScoopShot. This allows anyone with a smartphone to become a photographer. Showcase. The app is free also, of course. It is available through the App Store and Google Play Store. Okay, so both platforms available. And this is the earning money that I have opened earlier here. And you can see here, you get paid, as I said, for the pictures that they select here. You can also actually take videos with ScoopShot here, so small videos like 30 seconds or something like that is what you can make money with also. So while you have taken your selfies, I mean, you have nothing to lose. Upload as many as possible, and whenever someone wants your selfie, you make money with it. So that is how you can make money with selfies from your smartphone. Now, if you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis. Hit that notification bell also to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Most important, there is a link below in the description for my #1 recommendation on how to make money online. Alright, that's it. Go ahead now, download the app, go and get started, take some selfies and make some extra money. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon.